In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add image medium. If you want to include a picture in your Medium article, the process is very simple once you know where to click. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along and add your image without any confusion. First, go to your Medium home dashboard. This is the main screen you see after signing in, and it's where you can access your stories, reading feed, and writing tools. Before you begin, it's a good idea to have the image you want to upload saved somewhere, easy to find on your device, like your desktop or downloads folder. That will make the next steps much quicker. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the top right corner and click Write. This opens a new draft where you can start creating your post. Medium keeps the writing interface clean and minimal, so at first it may seem like there aren't many options on screen. That's completely normal. Now, before you start typing in the body of the post, click the plus icon that appears next to the writing area. This small button is what opens the insert menu, and it gives you access to content elements you can place inside your article. If you don't notice it right away, click into the body area and hover near the left side of the line. The icon should appear there. After that, click on the image icon. This tells Medium that you want to upload a picture into the post. As soon as you click it, a file selection window will open from your computer or device. From there, select the image from your device. Find the file you want to use, click on it, and confirm the upload. Depending on the image size and your internet speed, it may take a moment to appear in the draft. Once it finishes uploading, you'll see it placed directly inside your story. At this point, you can continue the rest of your post. Add your text below the image or around it as needed and keep building your article the way you want. It's a good idea to pause for a second and make sure the image looks correct before moving on, especially if you're using visuals to support a specific point in the story. And that's it. Start from your Medium dashboard. Open a new draft. Use the plus icon. Choose the image option. Upload your file and continue writing your post. Once you've done it once, adding images to Medium becomes quick and easy every time.